Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you guys of the giant black garbage bag unbagging, because it's not a box, so I can't unbox it. The last one I did really sucked. So here's to hoping these two bags are really good, and I still have my little sidekick right here, and he's gonna be a little more quiet this time so you guys can actually hear me. So we're gonna get going on this before I lose light, because we are starting to lose light. I'm in my garage because I am not bringing these random bags of clothing up into my house. That's just not gonna happen. All right, next piece we have is a divided sweatshirt that's gonna go in my yard sale pile. This is interesting. Looks like it has some wear on it. What is this? It is a CDC wear, like maxi length dress. It's this really interesting texture. I might have to look into that one, but it does have some little issues down. Well, no, it's got too much pilling on it, so that's gonna have to go in the yard sale pile that's about to fall over because there's too many pieces in it. Okay, next we have something that I don't know what it is. Oh, it says Lululemon. Yay, Lululemon. It's a miracle. Finally got something good. So that one, I'm gonna have to look up. Hopefully that means we got some good stuff in this bag. It's a good sign. All right, next we have Zara Basic, just a basic shirt. All right, next is Land's End, Ash Grove, something, embroidered, yard sale pile, some random shoe that's beat up. Here's a Neiman Marcus. It's kind of yellowed though. The color's yellowed, but this is a Neiman Marcus shirt. That has the, I can't remember what to call these, Owen. I don't know, but we'll put it to the side. But it's a good sign. This one's Polo by Ralph Lauren. So we'll put that to the side. Let's see, what's next? Some sort of jacket. I'm not seeing a tag. Right, this looks nice, but I'm not seeing a tag on it. And it has what looks to be like a tie for a bathrobe. I don't know. All right, more dress shirts. This one's yellowed also. Ralph Lauren. Got the little horse. I might be able to OxyClean these. I don't know. IKE Behar men's dress shirt, and one more men's dress shirt. Same, IKE Behar. Girls' little shorts. CC glove. Missing the other one. You've got US Polo Association. And these are little jammy pants. Put those in my lap in case we find the matching piece. Ooh, Wild Fox. That's good. Alternative. That's a no. All right, Misguided Petite with the tag. I don't think that that's something I would sell. I'm gonna crochet this top. Oh no, it's got a tag. It's Forever 21. Oh, I thought these were underwear, but these are actually underclothes, and they're Marmot. So those are a keeper. I got a fuzzy in my mouth. Okay, we gotta hurry because we're losing light. All right, Il Grancio sailing knitwear. it up. Next we have, who is this? By Circo Sleepwear. Who's that, Owen? Owen, look. Who's this? Do you know who that is? If you guys know who this is, let me know. Maybe it's just a random hedgehog. I don't know. That's something that would sell really well during Christmas. But still, I'm just gonna put it in the yard sale pile. Old Navy. US Polo. Little kids. Maybe we'll try and keep that one. Super skinny. Old Navy. All right, what do we have next? Looks like Passport. 5 by 5. Yard sale. This looks like yard sale already. Yep, H&M. At least I should make a good amount off of this stuff at the yard sale. Ultra Flirt. Let's see. There we go. There's the other piece. US Polo Association. Okay, so I can sell that in a set. Random rag. This looks promising. It's like a skirt. Oh, it's H&M. It's pretty though. Oh, it has ties on both sides. It's a size 10. I think I might actually keep this one. It would really look cute with the right boots. I think I'm gonna keep that one for me. And Forever 21. Iris. Some sort of leggings for girls. This is some sort of top. It's cute. I don't know what that is. All right, American Eagle. Some sort of crocheted top. Groove bags. I don't know what that is. Random shoe. All right, ooh, Can. Can's a good brand. We can save those. Random bikini top. Seat cushion. Zara. Littles, you gonna come sit with Mama? We have a Next Level brand shirt. Let's see what it says on it. Can you pull over the other bag? It says, tell your friends I say Shanghai. I don't know what that means. Yellow chair. I'll look that one up. Next, J. Crew. These are just some regular joggers. Ooh, what's this? J. Crew. This is a really neat sweater. I think I'll keep that one. Label of Graded Goods, which is H&M. Let's see. Zella, but just it being a tank isn't really good enough. Ruby. I don't know what Ruby is, and it's just a random piece of fabric. Oh goodness. Is it heavy? Oh! Yeah? There's a lot of clothes in them, bud. Aware by Vero Moda. That might be worth it. I can look that one up. Oh. This has like, I think that's a Korean tag. I'm not sure. Look at that. Some sort of like jumper dress. I might look into that one. Antoinette, size medium. Scrunchie that's random. Another scrunchie that's random. Dress form, whatever that is. It's got its tag. It's itty bitty. Ooh, what's this? Victoria Sport. Yay! Their leggings. Okay, I think we can do Victoria Sport. Comfort. Sundance. Sundance is a good brand, but I don't know about just a plain shirt. I'll have to look into it. It's kind of faded. All right, one more bag. Okay, let's rip it open. Yes. Uh-oh, it cracked. All right. And of course, there's a pillow in it. This is kind of cool, though. Smells a little old. Have a tag anywhere? Let's see if there's a tag. Sometimes it's on the inside. I don't know. I might sell that. White Vegas. Nope. Random shoe. Euro chain. I don't know. It looks like that could be higher end, but I'm not sure. Put that with the random shoes. Old Navy. Santa Understands. Blue and gray for loft. That's interesting. I think this would work. It's very gauzy, very like maxi. That's a good one. Zara, and that's cute. US Polo. Romwe. This is Gildan. Learn, serve, and give. US Vintage. That's just a plain hoodie.
Next to our home.
I don't know what this is.
Go up and go to.
It has a bunch of letters, and it's semi-sheer.
And boom, see a playground, right?
And it's
wow, this looks really tiny.
Yeah. I don't know what this is, guys. Size small, made in China. I don't know. Blue and gray for loft. Come here, Owen. That's cute. Homegirl Society. I don't know what that is, but it's stained anyway. All right, next we have Universal Thread. Meh, can hear my little guy running around like a monkey. Morona, no boundaries. Comfort Wash.
We keep them safe.
Stray Rescue of St. Louis. Woof. That looks kind of funny, actually. Feel the vibes, Owen. It says feel the vibes. Orange Kiss. I don't know what that is.
You, Mom.
That's me. That's so me, Owen. Come here. Next level. I think those are corgi butts. My son will get a kick out of that. He watches that YouTuber that does corgis. All right, we've got some lingerie for someone really little. It's Rue 21. And some more lingerie. Bazzolo. What is this? Derek Hart. Rock 47.
Make me kill myself 4 times.
Oh, let's gotta be careful about that. H&M, Beast Fashion. If I can find the other one, I'll sell those. Abercrombie and Fitch. Might be worth it. I don't know. Nah. Don't know what that is. All right, Carly Jean, Los Angeles. I might look that one up for me. Some sort of knotted headband. I don't know what this is. New Day. Spence. Little Girls Champion. Little shirt. Rebellious Dreamer. I don't even know what that is.
No, you can kill me, purple head check.
Oh my gosh.
Purple head check. Now.
Super Jew? Seriously? Like, New Day. There's a hat. Oh, it's a Mickey hat. Walt Disney Parks. That's a good one.
You're supposed to use me.
All right, we've got Gap Fit. It's just a little Gap Fit sports bra. All right, one last thing is a blanket. Well, I went through all of that without a blanket, and I finally have a blanket. So, yep, that's being sold at the yard sale. So now I have this yard sale pile. More like a mountain. Thanks y'all for watching. Hopefully that was interesting. I mean, I got some okay stuff. Drove my little guy crazy. He's bored out of his mind. And I'm gonna go and bring my little guy to the park around the corner for a few minutes because he needs to get some wiggles out. So I will talk to y'all in my next one. Say everyone, say bye. Get in the screen and say bye. No? Okay. All right. Talk to y'all in the next one. Bye.